Are note cards a good way to organize notes for a presentation? Have you ever wondered if note cards could be the secret weapon for organizing your presentation notes? Let's break down how these handy tools can work for you. Note cards can be quite effective when used correctly. They help you break down your information into smaller, manageable pieces. This makes it easier to focus on each point without feeling overwhelmed. By writing one idea or point on each card, you can visualize the structure of your presentation. This allows you to rearrange the cards until you find the best order for your content. It's a great way to see the overall flow of your speech without getting lost in details. When preparing your note cards, aim to write keywords or short phrases instead of full sentences. This method encourages you to recall your points naturally, rather than reading directly from the cards. Reading from cards can disengage your audience, so keep your notes concise. Each card should serve as a reminder of your main ideas and subpoints. A practical approach is to dedicate one card for each major section of your presentation. For instance, you might have separate cards for your introduction, main points, and conclusion. This organization helps you stay on track and reduces the chance of forgetting important elements. If you need to include specific quotes or technical details, consider using a separate card for those. When it comes to size, small cards, like 3 inches by 5 inches or 4 inches by 6 inches, are ideal. They are easy to handle and less distracting during your presentation. As you move through your speech, you can set aside used cards to keep track of your progress. Rehearsing with your note cards is also essential. This practice helps you identify which points may need more detail and which can remain just brief. It builds familiarity with your material, allowing you to rely less on the cards during your actual presentation. In summary, note cards can be a great way to organize your presentation notes. They allow for flexible arrangement and help you visualize your content structure. By encouraging brief, keyword-focused notes, they aid memory and keep your audience engaged. Plus, they provide an easy-to-handle tool to guide your speech and support your rehearsal efforts. With thoughtful use, note cards can boost your confidence and improve your delivery.